Buying a Steam gift card online is quick and convenient, and simply follow these steps to purchase one securely. So let's get started. Firstly, open a web browser and in the search address bar, type down Steam gift card. And at the top, you'll get to see official Steam's Steam gift card option available. Simply tap on it and navigate to it. Now in here, you can see select digital card option available there. Tap on it. Now select a card denomination, example $5, $10, $20, $50, or even $100. Simply tap on it and click add to cart or purchase as a gift if sending it to someone. So now once you choose the card, you'll be navigated to the payment process. You'll have to log into your Steam account, obviously. First of all, log into it. Then search by your friend's name and send it to them, and you'll be navigated to the payment section after it and enter the payment, and you can purchase it easily. Also, be aware of phishing scams related to gift cards and use secure payment methods. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.